guys, it's your boy Ben. We are back with another video. As you can see, we're doing a little voiceover today. I'm going to take you guys through my whole chest and arms workout. As you can see, I'm starting off with just a warm-up, some dumbbell curls. I think I had 20-pound dumbbells here, just going super light, going around like 10 to 15 reps warm-up. Nothing crazy, not really to failure. Then this is going to be my first working set of biceps, where I do barbell curls. Chose a weight I could do for around 10 to 15 reps. I think I end up getting around 12 reps here. Something I highly recommend doing is switching up which muscles you hit first. So let's say on one chest and arms day, you hit chest first. Maybe the next time you hit chest and arms, you could do biceps first, or you could do triceps first, just to mix it up. So the first movement I'm doing, like I said, is a barbell curl. Here I do about 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, somewhere in between there. A little bit lighter. Sometimes on curls I'll go heavier for like a top set almost. I'll be in a rep range of like 8 to 10, and then I'll do back off sets where I lighten the weight and do more reps. But here I'm just doing 3 sets of 12, I believe I got. Next movement we're going to do is a dumbbell hammer curl. I usually don't do hammer curls, but I've been liking them a lot recently, so I've been doing more hammer curls. As you can see, I don't do one at a time. I do both of them at the same time, because I find that when I do one at a time, one of my arms will get more reps than the other one. So I find just training them both the same, you won't create any muscle imbalances. However, I think if you have muscle imbalances where you think one arm is stronger than another or one arm is bigger than another, try to train the smaller or weaker arm more, and maybe you could implement more unilateral movements, such as doing alternating hammer curls or dumbbell curls. Next, we're doing barbell bench. I think I said this in the last video, but I like to switch up my movements. So I'll do a set of biceps, and then I'll move on to chest, and then maybe I'll do triceps. I won't hit all biceps, all chest, all triceps. I think it's better to give your muscle groups like a break in between, just to perform better on the movements. So I do one top set here of 175 for 8. I was shooting for 8 to 10. And then I did a back off set of 14, I think. I just went to failure until I couldn't do it anymore. The bench is very like wide, so my shoulders couldn't like retract as much, if that makes sense. So I wasn't really hitting my chest, but I was keeping good tension there, which was good. Solid set. Now we go to triceps, doing dumbbell skull crushers here. I think I have 25-pound dumbbells. When I did bench, I only did like 2 sets. I did that one set of 8 and then that one set of 14 because my chest was kind of hurting, if I'm being honest. Didn't feel the best, so I just ended it there. No need to go insane. But on the dumbbell skull crushers, I did 3 sets of around 10 reps. And then if I couldn't get 10 reps, I did like forced reps, as you can see. Next, we got the chest press machine. I haven't done this one in a while, but when I hopped on it, the contractions were insane. So I was like, gotta do this more often. So now I'm gonna start implementing more chest press movements and probably less bench press, because I feel a much better contraction in my chest when I do a chest press movement rather than a barbell bench. But here I think I do 3 sets of around 12 reps with a plate and a 10 on each side. To failure, obviously, you guys already know. Next we have another tricep movement, underhand tricep extensions. I don't know what it is about these, like I'd be doing weird movements to be honest, but I think these hit different. I did like kind of a superset here, so I went to failure on underhand, rested like 10 seconds, and then went to failure again on overhand. And then I switched it, so when I took my rest in between sets, I went again, but I did overhand to failure first, and then I supersetted that with underhand to failure. 4 total supersets. But yeah, that is going to do it for the entire workout. I think I did around 6 sets of biceps, 5 sets of chest, 7 sets of triceps. So it really depends how I'm feeling. I go off of how I feel. If I want to do more sets, I'll do more sets. If I want to do less, I'll do less. It really just depends how I feel. All my sets are all out, as you can see, so I don't really need to do as much volume. You'll see a bunch of people do a crazy amount of volume. I'm not really like that. Keep my volume very low so I can recover, but I train very hard to stimulate as much growth as I can. But yeah, be sure to let me know if you guys like this style of video where I go over exactly how I train. I think it's very informational for especially beginner lifters who are looking for ways of how to train or what to do. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, be sure to leave a like down below, subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!